Pia Wurtzbach, hindi raw ang tunay na first Filipina to walk in L'Oreal Paris. Breaking barriers and making history, Pia Wurtzbach Johnson makes her mark as the first Filipina to walk the runway of L'Oreal Paris Le Défilé of Paris Fashion Week. Yan ang titulo na ibinigay ng mismong L'Oreal Paris page para kay Pia matapos ang collaboration nito, making her as one of the top best-earning ambassador with $7.59 million EMV. Marami ang natuwa sa balitang ito, lalo na mga kapwa Pilipino na sobrang proud kay Pia. Subalit habang si Pia maging ang lahat ng fans ay nasa kasagsagan ng pagdiriwang sa kanyang matagumpay na pagrampa sa Paris Fashion Week, isang transgender ang nag-ingay sa social media by posting a congratulatory message to Pia, but saying that she is only second to him, because he is the first Filipina model to walk L'Oreal Paris 3 years ago, not just once but twice. Ayon sa kanyang post tagang Pia, I'm incredibly grateful to L'Oreal Paris for inviting me to be part of such a powerful and inspiring show. It's surreal to think it's been 3 years since I made history as the first Filipino woman to walk the L'Oreal Paris runway, right in front of the iconic Eiffel Tower. We added that runway at Kath Graham. That year was especially meaningful because alongside Supa Ines, we also became the first trans women to ever grace that runway. On top of that, I'm deeply honored to have made history as the first trans woman in America to have a 3-year brand ambassador relationship with this incredible company. Saglit nating putulin dito, makikita nyo na napakalinaw na sinabi niya na siya ang first trans woman in America. So noon palang America na talaga ang daladala niya. So why he is claiming the title to be the first Filipina to ever walk the show? This event was a celebration of women from all walks of life, each with their own beautiful story, and it highlights the importance of lifting one another up. Being part of the brand that champions diversity and inclusion means so much to me. Together, we continue breaking barriers and paving way for those to come. We are all worth it. Congratulations to Pia Wurtzbach for being the second Filipina woman to ever walk the show. You look incredible on the runway this year. At ito nga ang post ni Lena Bloom discrediting Pia Wurtzbach title given by the L'Oreal Pageant Press. Samantala, tingnan naman natin ang title na ibinigay kay Lena Bloom noong March 2021 nang siya ang maging kauna-unahan dito. Ayon dito, it was announced that Bloom would appear in the July swimsuit issue of Sports Illustrated, making her the first openly transgender Black and Asian American Sports Illustrated swimsuit issue model. In this title, maliwanag na Amerika ang bansang nirerepresenta niya. Never mentioning any trace of Filipino word. Black Asian American didn't point out that she is a half Filipina, at hindi niya rin yan sinubukang baguhin. Maging sa Google ay America din ang nalabas kapag hinanap mo ang nationality niya. Tiningnan ko rin ang Instagram niya at dito makikita ang Philippines flag sa kanyang bio. Pero ito ba ang base country niya? Kapag pinindot natin ang tatlong tuldok na ito sa gawing kaliwa, lalabas ang base country niya, pero kita nyo hindi niya gustong i-share, maaaring ginagamit lang niya ang Philippines flag at pagka-Filipino to gain support and followers. Knowing how Filipino fans support fellow Filipino in the Philippines and abroad, yes, she has a Filipino blood, but she is proud carrying America as her country and not Philippines. Anyway, L'Oreal Paris ang nagbigay ng title kay Pia, not claiming it by herself, so walang karapatan ang sino man to invalidate her and the work and dedication she gave to earn that title. Anong masasabi mo rito? Please comment down below, please like and subscribe, thank you.